This is about the general embryology. We will discuss about the ovulation. First of all, we should know what is the ovulation. Ovulation means when the ovum from the ovary come into the fallopian tube. This is the ovum which you can see here. This is the ovulation. Ovum is come into the fallopian tube. This is called ovulation. So when any patient come to our clinic and we ask her about their last menstrual period, suppose that this is the last menstrual period day, and from this last menstrual period day there is a 2 week take to the ovulation at 14th day. At the 14th day, this is the 14th day, occur ovulation. This is ovulation. Ovulation occur at the 14th day. At the same day, this is ovulation which has been occurred. You can see here there is a ovum which come into the fallopian tube at the 14th day. This is the day of ovulation, and the same day within the 24 hours, 12 to 24 hours, at same day sperm should come to the ovum. You can see here these are the sperm coming into side to the ovum, and they sperm and ovum meet together. It is called fertilization. Fertilization. Or fertilization can occur also same day of the ovulation. So we can write here also the fertilization. Fertilization also occur at the 14th day. After this egg, this ovum, after the fertilization, move toward the uterus, and come into the uterus or start implantation in the endometrium, and this implantation occur at the day of 21. Mean 6th day of the fertilization. At the 6th day from fertilization. 6th day from fertilization. So why I am saying this is a 21 day of 21? Because implantation, if we will calculate from this LMP, then implantation will occur here at the 3rd week. This is a day of 21. So this is the implantation. This is the implantation occur at the 3 weeks, 3rd weeks or day of 21. from the LMP. And this is the day of parturition, we can say delivery, day of delivery of the baby, parturition. This baby after the implantation and after some month it come into the outside in the world. So this is a occur at the day of 280 or in weeks 40 weeks. This calculation is starting from the LMP, from LMP. This age is called gestational age, gestational age, or menstrual age, menstrual age, because we are calculating this from the LMP, menstrual day of last menstrual period. That's why it is the 40 weeks. But if we will calculate from the day of fertilization, then these are 38 weeks. From day of ovulation. If we will calculate from the day of ovulation, then it will be the 38 weeks. Now if any examiner ask the question, when you will do the USG transvaginal ultrasonography, suppose that you enter a ultrasonograph from the vagina and you take the heartbeat of the baby, then at what time you can calculate the heartbeat of the baby, you can identify heartbeat of the baby. So this is the time of heartbeat of baby, 6th week from LMP. But if LMP is not asking in the question, then you will say heartbeat, listen, at the 4th week. You will select 4th week from ovulation. So read the carefully about the question. If examiner is asking from the LMP, then you can select 6th week. If examiner is not asking from the LMP, then you can select 4th week. So heart sound or the heartbeat you can listen at the 4th week by the transvaginal ultrasonography. This is the proper way how you can calculate this period. And there is a 3 terms also: embryonic period, embryonic period, because before this embryonic period we call pre-embryonic period, pre-embryonic period, or after this embryonic period we called fetal period. Why we call it like this? Because 0 to 3 week, here we are calculating from day of ovulation, day of ovulation. That's why you can see here 38 weeks, because we have removed 2 weeks before the fertilization from the 40 weeks. That's why we have got a 38 week. So 0 to 3 week, it is a pre-embryonic period, and 3 to 8 week, this is the embryonic period, because we call it baby embryo. Now we call the baby as a embryo, that's why it is a embryonic period. It is a 3 to 8 weeks, and after the 8 week we call the baby as a fetus. So this is the fetal period, and this fetal period is after 8 week till the birth. So you can write here the pre-embryonic period is 0 to 3 weeks. This is the pre-embryonic period, and 3 to 8 weeks we call this embryonic period, and after the 8 weeks till birth, 38 weeks, yeah, you can say till birth, we call it fetal period. This is the some basic concept about the embryology, general embryology, or the time of ovulation, or the time of fertilization. We will also discuss about it in detail. Thank you.